What's the deal, Stack family? You already know what time it is. We back with another one. About to head into the gym. If you ain't know, it's your boy KSTACCS, binary options and futures day trader. About to get a lift in, coming with a stacks talk to you. I just want to give some game about the most money is made in waiting, being patient, staying patient in what you're doing. Um, Everybody wants to know when to buy. Everybody wants to know when to sell. But Charlie Munger said it best. The big money is not in buying and in selling, but it's in waiting. And I think that lesson applies for more than just investing, more than just trading. It applies to our overall lives in a major way, especially me in this season. Like I said, I'm going through a move right now. So even though I'm at the gym right now, I'm still doing the things I need to do. I think when it comes to trading, the best thing for me to do right now is wait and stay patient, continue to build up my skills, and wait for those opportunities to then arise again to make sure I'm not making, the small mistakes, the small mistakes that add up. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is waiting is growth. When you waiting, I've learned in trading it shows your growth. Because I remember a time when I was just so happy to be able to trade, to be able to put money on the account, to be able to place a trade, to be able to make money just instantaneously, that it tends to lead to over trading. It tends to lead to over leveraging. One of them black beetles. It tends to lead to doing things in a market that you normally wouldn't do under normal circumstances. You feel what I'm saying? So don't rush it. One thing I would say is don't rush it. Seeds don't grow overnight. Muscles wasn't born in just one workout. You feel what I'm saying? Um, Success comes from continuously showing up, continuously doing what you need to do, even when the results aren't showing. Remember that you don't get rich off of one trade. It's an accumulation of trades that put you in that position to be able to maybe make that one life-changing trade, but that didn't happen overnight. That wasn't a one-night thing. The second thing I want to talk about is every decision in your life being a vote. Um, every time that you choose to wake up in the morning early, 4:45, wake up, be ahead of the markets, you're voting for yourself. You're voting for the discipline within yourself. Every time that you go to the gym, it's a vote for strength. Every time that you wait for a trade to set up, it's a vote of patience. Now, every time that you journal, it's a vote for improvement. But when it comes to revenge trading or procrastinating or waiting on something, it's a vote to the version of you that you don't want, that you don't like, that you want to see different within. So stop negotiating with yourself. Stop saying, well, when that alarm go off, let me get 10, 15 more minutes, because that turns into an hour. And how you feel after that? You usually feel like, man, why did I wait? Why didn't I just get up? Because the most important thing is your non-negotiables. If you're not taking care of those, if you negotiating with your non-negotiables, why does anybody need to pay attention to you or listen to you? You know what I'm saying? So stop voting. Stop voting the negative votes of the person that you don't want to become. Stop choosing that vote. And you're gonna see the results. And you're gonna see how much it impacts your life when you choose to do the positive things or choose to do the things that you know you're supposed to be doing. You feel me? And then the third thing is gonna be, bro, your future self is watching. Your future self is watching and waiting on you. He's sitting there looking at you like, he already seen it all, she already seen it all play out before. And they waiting on you. They waiting on you to make them decisions. Every single day, day in and day out, even when you ain't seeing the results. They still waiting on you to make the correct decision. Because it's the habits that we form that makes us who we are. And habits work both ways, we know that. It's negative and positive habits. So you can build up habits of not doing what you're supposed to be doing or making an excuse every time you're supposed to be doing what you need to be doing. That's what we're getting away from, you feel me? Imagine yourself 1 year from today. Let me see, what's today's date? Tuesday, August 4th. Imagine yourself on August 4th in 2027. Who are you gonna be? You gonna be the same version of yourself that you continuously argue with and want to see improve? Like I said yesterday, consistency is the most important thing. If you continue to do what you say you want to do to be the person you want to become, you will achieve it. It's nothing stopping that. It's nothing outside of that. Because that's the main thing. You know what I'm saying? Think about this. Will your decisions today make your life harder or easier for that future version of yourself? What are your decisions doing for your future self? Are they helping to improve it? Are they helping to make him or her a better person, what you're doing on a daily basis? Or is it hurting your future self? Are you eating all them terrible foods and not eating healthy, and not eating according to your macros and micros? Are you going to the gym so that in your older age, you still healthy? You still got circulation, you still got blood flow? Are you making the right trades? Are you making the right investments? Are you around the right people so that your future self can flourish and be the person that you want him or her to be? Because it's just like that, man, when it goes away. You feel me? It's just like that. It's so quick. And then the little last thing I'm gonna speak on is, within your future self is watching is, bro, discipline. Discipline is the gift that you give your future self. You understand what I'm saying? Discipline is the gift that you send to your future self. So don't ever be afraid to be given that best version of your future self. His props, his habits, his lifestyle, because that's what you want it to be, right? That's who you want it to be, right? Never cheat yourself. Never cheat within a moment, within a workout, within a trade journaling session. Because at the end of the day, you just cheating your future self. You're not doing nothing but hurting nobody but yourself. And then my final thought is gonna be, the life that you want, it's already built. It's already built. You just can't see the construction work done just yet. You can't see all the foundations and groundworks that you've done just yet, because it takes time. That's one thing that it does. It takes time. So always remember this, stay patient, keep working on yourself no matter what you got going on. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to become that person. It's gonna be the hardest thing you do in life, but it's gonna be the most worth it thing you do in life. It's gonna be the best gift you can give your future self. It's staying patient and staying true to who you really are. But you already know what time it is. We about to go get this lift in, about to go get this gym session in. And until then, y'all, stack it up, stay blessed, peace.